The amazing caring beard style. It's looking good. But noise, the remind here is little white, small. So this beard gradually increase my beard style. You can see the fire for 1 minute. This is the best quality of my hair. The quality ticket, my quality, my beard. The coherent sense of comfort beard. Comfort, I feel comfort when I'm making videos to show my subscriber the beautiful quality of my beard hairstyle. This is amazing. There are red dots on my face. Some you can see.